Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Northern Explorer. In today's video, I'm going to be installing Husky Wheel Well Liners in my 2017 F250. I'm also going to be doing a brief overview of the spray-on bed liner that I had put in. Stick around. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean out the inside of these wheel wells, since they'll probably never see the light of day again. Let's see what came in the box. So it looks like a pretty basic kit. You got your driver's side and passenger side rear wheel well liner, instruction booklet, screws, and retaining clips, and that's pretty much it. And the only tool you're supposed to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Working on the driver's side first, the first thing I need to do is identify what side is the passenger side and what side is the driver's side, and it's stamped in the top right here. The next step is to get two of my retaining clips. This is attached in 4 spots. So one of the retaining clips goes in the back right here. And the other retaining clip goes on this hole right here. Then you need to remove this push pin. Not like that. The next step is to work the wheel well liner into place, and you do not need to take the tire off to do this. All right, once you got that in place, put 2 of the screws in, but just loosely install them for now. That one, and this one. Once those 2 are on, you only have 2 clips and 2 screws to go. And the clips in this case are pretty much just used as nuts. Put them behind. Line up the hole. And just put it on loosely for now. Same thing over here. Just put the clip behind. Line up the screw. Once all 4 of the screws and retaining clips are in just loosely, make sure the fit is good. See, that's good. And then just tighten everything up. That's pretty much it. So I can think of 3 reasons to get wheel well liners. The first is it just looks better up here without that big gap. The second reason is you're protecting your truck from all of the rocks and road debris that get flung up in here. And the third reason is it's just a smooth surface that's going to be a lot easier to clean, to hose out the mud. After helping a neighbor move a piece of furniture, I noticed a giant scratch in the paint on the floor of my truck bed. To prevent this or any other damage from ever happening again, I had a spray-on Bedliner put in. Besides protecting the surface, the spray-on liner is slip resistant. I had the installer plug almost every drain hole and panel gap in order to keep road dust and grime out from the back of the truck. You can see here that even with most of the drain holes plugged, there is still plenty of space for water to drain out. That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.